So this is the whole of Titanium played together. Okay, good luck, enjoy learning it. It's a good fun piece to play. Just make sure that you do use the correct fingers though, especially because there's quite a lot of movement in the choruses. And if you don't use the right fingers, you can get a bit finger tied. All right, so I'm going to play it from the beginning so you can hear how it should sound and you can play along with it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so good luck with that.